A lot of men today are stressed, depressed, and mentally exhausted. All they feel is loneliness and absence of people and relationships around them. In the early days, our forefathers used to lie about their age to go to war instead of being worried, stressed, or scared. For that reason, they never had to worry about having women around that were just ready to give these type of men an offspring. I will tell you about 3 things on which, if you may pay attention, you can get any woman you desire to be yours. Number 1. Your genetic potential energy should be always high. How? We can divide having high energy and confidence into physical and mental components, as having high energy and confidence involves a combination of physical, mental, and emotional factors. As far as physical factors are concerned, maintain the following facts. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you're getting enough quality sleep each night. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep to rejuvenate your body and mind. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, whether it's walking, jogging, yoga, or hitting the gym. Exercise releases endorphins, which contribute to a positive mood. Manage stress. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Limit caffeine and sugar. While caffeine can provide a temporary energy boost, excessive consumption can lead to crashes. Similarly, avoid excessive sugary foods that can cause energy spikes and crashes. For your mental clarity, have these positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude and focus on the good aspects of your life. Challenge negative thoughts and practice gratitude. Set goals. Set realistic goals for yourself, both short-term and long-term. Working towards your goals can give you a sense of purpose and motivation. Stay organized. Keep track of your tasks and responsibilities using tools like to-do lists, calendars, or productivity apps. Being organized reduces stress and helps you manage your time effectively. Continuous learning. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind, such as reading, learning a new skill, or taking up a hobby. Intellectual stimulation can boost your overall energy levels. Number 2. Charisma. Charisma is a combination of certain qualities and behaviors that make a person engaging, captivating, and influential. While some people seem naturally charismatic, it's a skill that can be developed and improved over time. Here are some tips to help you enhance your charisma. Self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Confidence is attractive and draws people in. Practice positive self-talk and focus on your strengths. Active listening. Pay genuine attention to others when they speak. Maintain eye contact, nod, and respond appropriately. Show that you value their opinions and thoughts. Authenticity. Be yourself and embrace your uniqueness. Authenticity is magnetic, as people are drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. Positive body language. Use open and welcoming body language. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and use gestures that express enthusiasm and interest. Smile. A warm smile can go a long way in making you approachable and friendly. Smiling also conveys positivity and warmth. Number 3. Look and smell good. Looking and smelling good involves maintaining personal hygiene, grooming habits, and choosing appropriate clothing and fragrances. Here are some tips to help you achieve a fresh and appealing appearance. Bathe daily or as needed to keep your body clean and fresh. Wash and condition your hair regularly. Keep it clean, well-groomed, and styled as desired. Maintain a haircut that suits your face shape and personal style. Regular trims help keep your hair looking neat. If you have facial hair, keep it well-groomed. Trim your beard, mustache, or goatee to your desired length. Choose clothing that fits well. Avoid clothes that are too tight or too loose. Well-fitting attire looks more put together. Wear clean clothes and change them daily. Pay attention to stains and odors. Apply a subtle amount of fragrance to your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind ears. Avoid overdoing it, as strong scents can be overpowering. Drinking enough water contributes to healthy skin and can help reduce body odor. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. What you eat can affect your body odor. Regular physical activity promotes circulation, which can contribute to healthy skin and an overall fresh feeling. Remember that personal hygiene, grooming, and style are personal choices. Experiment to find what works best for you and makes you feel confident and comfortable. Lastly, do not put women on pedestal. They also breathe in the same oxygen as you, so treat them according to their actions and do not grant them a superior ranking or command over you.